Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to shop on 1688 and how you can make payment with your Alipay. Very easy tutorial. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different supplier right here. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for products from different supplier on 1688. One of the first way is to simply scroll down. The more you scroll down right here, the more different products is going to load up. Okay. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here, click on search engine right here and type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for machine. Then I'll click on search. And in a few seconds, you are going to see a similar result that relates to the keyword you are looking for. However, you can also make use of image search to search for product on 1688. Once you are able to search for product, the next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart on 1688, consider to check the video out on my channel and see how you can actually add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to visit your cart. And for you to visit your cart, simply click on this particular icon right here. Click on that and it takes you to all the products you have in your cart right here. So next thing you need to do is to select the product you want to make payment for one after the other. I'm paying for this one here. I will simply click on here and it's going to be selected. I'm paying for this also and I'll scroll down again. I'm paying for this. I'm going to scroll down and I'm paying for this, and I'm going to scroll down again. I'm paying for this. Having selected all the products I'm paying for, so at the time of making this video, I'm paying for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products from different stores. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payments. Then from the checkout right here, I can simply scroll down right here and check on the product preview. So once I'm satisfied with everything, next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed with payments using my Alipay. So just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 65 RMB, 65.13 RMB to purchase all these products in 1688. However, from the payment checkout right here, there are so many ways by which you can use to make payment. You can either pay with your Alipay, which is the first option, and the second option here is making payment with your Master or your Visa card. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to proceed with the payment using my Alipay, and I have to click on this particular orange at the bottom right here and allow the Alipay to connect. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. Just like what you see right here, payment has been done successful. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this pump up. And the next thing I need to do is to click on here to go to my profile. And by the time I refresh my profile right here, you're going to see the product I just paid for. So I'm going to simply click on here now to view all the products we just make payment for. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 and Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.